Hi, today's video is about how to get rid of split ends. A regular use of this will give you best results within a month. Okay, what all the ingredients are? One is raw milk and egg white, natural organic honey, and banana. One mashed banana, peeled and blended. Okay, let's start. Take nearly one banana, peel and blend this like a paste. Add nearly 1 tablespoon of milk into this and 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 egg yolk. Mix this. You'll get a paste like this. Mix this without any lumps. Okay, apply this on your full hair and at the end of your split ends, and leave it to dry for about 30 to 40 minutes and wash it off with a cold water. You can use this 3 to 4 times a week. Regular using of this will give you your best results, and your split ends will be totally reduced and also prevent from that split ends problem. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow. Bye. Hi, today's video is about how to get rid of split ends. Within a week you can get rid of this and prevent from getting a split ends. Okay, only two ingredients are needed. One is one egg yolk, and another one is almond oil. Take 1 tablespoon of almond oil into a 1 egg yolk. Mix this well. Apply this on your scalp and on your full hair and leave it to dry for about 30 minutes and wash it off with a normal water. You can use this 3 to 4 times a week to prevent and get rid of split ends. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow. Bye.